Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with DAS. Excited to offer you guys a gorgeous 2004 Jeep Wrangler TJ, 56,000 original documented miles. This Jeep came up to us from Florida. It was completely bone stock, all original. We actually completely disassembled the Jeep and did a full repaint on it. The Jeep body-wise was all original. All the panels were original paint. There was a little bit of fading on the hood and the fenders, but the way we do things here, we have a huge body shop. We restore vehicles. It was such a nice Jeep. We weren't going to repaint the front clip with nice shiny new paint and then have the rest of it not be an exact perfect match. So we went ahead, disassembled the whole Jeep, gave it a brand new spanking paint job, door jambs, backside of doors, everything. In addition to that, our full stage 2 suspension and steering package. Literally everything underneath this Jeep, suspension, steering's all brand new. Go to our website, davisautosports.com, for a full spec sheet on it. Shocks, coils, control arms, tie rod bar, tie rod end, steering stabilizer, track bars, you name it, all done. Brakes are done. Full engine's been serviced, rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, axle seals, front diff's been serviced, rear diff, transmission, transfer case, you name it, it's been done. 56,000 original miles. In addition to all of the yellow being all brand new paint, the bumpers were satin finished in black paint, flares satin finished. Same thing with the mirror caps, rear flares, rear bumper, license plate bracket, you name it. This Jeep is gorgeous. Undercarriage is flawless. Being from Florida, we have a ton of pictures of the entire undercarriage. Make sure to check that out on the website. All new lenses, new DOT black LED headlights, black bezels, 285, 75, 16 BFG all-terrains, Moab Rubicon wheels. Also on the inside, we have all new bed rug carpet throughout, new seat covers. I mean, this thing is, it's all there. New Jeep sticker emblems. Mirror housings and brackets were also satin finished. Literally everything underneath this Jeep front to back is all new. Just to give you an idea, we have a number of Jeeps. This is just what's currently in our body shop. That whole row there, we have actually 2 rows right here. So we put 2 coats of base and 2 to 3 coats of clear, so there's a ton of clear on this as well. Inside, I've actually been driving. It's a little bit dirty, but all new bed rug, new fresh seat covers. Seats are in good condition, but we have a ton of these in stock, so we're going to start using them. Automatic transmission, everything's super clean. AC works perfectly. Bed rug is throughout the entire Jeep. 56,000 original miles. Just a beautiful, beautiful Jeep. Top-notch condition. Everything serviced. Make sure, once again, go to our website, davisautosports.com. Thank you.